Namaste everyone. Today we are learning how to do Surya Namaskar. Surya is sun and Namaskar is to bow, to greet. Surya Namaskar is the sequence to greet the sun and sun energy which supports the life on our planet. In English we call it sun salutation, which includes 12 postures. And today we are learning the basic variation of sun salutation. So please bring your hands in Namaste in front of your heart. Close your eyes, lengthen your spine, and feel the connection of your feet with the ground, with the Mother Earth. Take a long breath in and out. And then with inhalation, bring your hands to the sides and up. Look up and lift your chest up. With exhalation, hands to the side and start bending forward from your pelvis with a straight back as long as you can. And then please bend your knees, put your hands to the floor and bring your head down. Inhale, right leg back, equestrial pose, knee down, hips down, lift your chest up and look forward. Exhale, plank, keep all your body in one straight line, your wrists are under your shoulders, keep your core tight. Don't drop your lower back down. Inhale in plank, and with the next exhalation, bring your knees, your chest, and your chin down to the floor. Ashtanga Namaskara. With inhalation, baby cobra, slightly pressing with your hands toward the floor, lifting your chest up and engaging your back muscles, making your back stronger. With exhalation, downward facing dog, press your hands down and then bring your pelvis up and backward, lengthening your spine. As we're just learning the sequence, please bend your knees and check if your back is straight. It's more important. Long, deep breaths. Lifting your tailbone even higher. And with exhalation, try to straighten just one leg at a time and to bring your heel down to the floor. With inhalation, bend both knees. Exhale, other heel to the ground. Inhale, bend your knees. And then both heels down. Enjoy the stretch in your calves and your hamstrings. With inhalation, left leg forward, big step. Your foot is in one line with your hands. Equestrial pose. And exhale, right leg forward, bend forward, and reach your thighs with your abdomen. There is no space between your abdomen and your thighs. Tighten your core. Inhale, hands up, look up and lift your chest. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, Namaste, hands to your heart. We just did one round, now second round. Inhale up. And then exhale, bending forward with a straight back as long as you can. Head down, bend your knees. You can take few deep breaths in the pose. And then inhale, left leg back, big step, equestrial pose, knee down, hips down, chest up and look forward. Exhale, plank, all your body in one line, navel toward your spine, your core is strong. Inhale in plank and exhale, knees down, chest and chin down. Elbows are very close to your body. Inhale, baby cobra, lifting your chest up, keep your legs straight, keep your neck nice and long. And exhale, downward facing dog, and take a few long deep breaths in the pose. Tailbone up. Check that your neck is relaxed, your head is relaxed in the pose. And bring one heel towards the floor with exhalations. And now both heels down. And with the next inhalation, big step forward. Your foot is in one line with your hands. Knee down, hips down, chest forward. Exhale, left leg forward, bend forward. Abdomen is on your thighs. Tighten your core, and with inhalation, slowly stand up, look up, and exhale, Namaste.